I'm going to present a technical seminar on a low-cost sensor-based autonomous and semi-autonomous firefighting robot squad under the guidance of Vinuta K, Assistant Professor of Information Science and Engineering, BMSIT. This is the agenda. Introduction. Robot. What is a robot? A robot is a machine, especially one programmable by a computer, capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. As a robotic technology have progressed and turned out to be mandatory, people have attempted to alter human work with a new mechanical devices. Robots are primarily used where human life can be at a risk to carry out the job. One such risk-involved job is that of a firefighter. Often human work is substantial or a complex term to resolve difficulty scenarios after some disasters. However, it would be more beneficial if we follow robots to prevent severe fire hazards than to respond after the occurrence of the fire disaster. The need for the fire detection system in an urban environment is mandatory, and a robot needs to be designed to match those essential environment needs. Motivation. National Fire Protection Association has issued statistics on number of firemen at the normal age suffering from a line duty deaths are due to heart attack by 25%, 21% die trapped by a fire, 18% die after falling from in high places. The rest suffer from the cancer as a result of direct contact with the chemicals and poisons. Firemen are more vulnerable to death in some courses of their daily routine firefighting. The use of the robots in one of the alternative medium for reducing firemen facilities and enhancing firemen capabilities. Objective. The purpose of this project is to develop and then design a firefighting robot guided by these following objectives: to detect fire in the disaster area, also provides audio and touchscreen indications, to design a robot that is able to avoid obstacles, detect fire, next extinguish fire, reduces the effect of human labor and then level of destruction. Literature survey. These are the papers have been gone through, and these are the observations made from the paper. Proposed system. A new remote controlled emergency handling firefighting robot is proposed. Proposed firefighting squad robot consists of 6 integral components: structure, obstacle avoidance, and a driver system. This robot stops automatically when there is any obstacles in its paths and reroutes itself in an alternative possible shortest path, reaching its target soon. Control system of this is governed by a microcontroller, which is used to send receive information to the robot, and it is also employed to navigate it to the designated area. Fire destination system. It not only distributes fire in a determined path but has a capacity to identify fire in the field outside its defined path. Remote supervising system. It can stream data wirelessly to the remote terminal. Global system of foreign mobile. GSM communication module is employed to send emergency alarm signal to the security officer in the duty and nearby fire stations. Block diagram. Okay, this is the microcontroller 80 mega 328 power supply, IR and then smoke sensor, obstacle avoidance, line follower module, and then motor driver module to run the robot, fire extinguisher module to off the fire, Bluetooth module, GSM module, and then temperature sensor. Okay, microcontroller 80 mega 328 is used. Temperature sensor DS18B20 is used. Fire sensor infrared detector has been implemented. Obstacle sensor HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor. Line follower module IR sensor array. GSM SIM900A wireless module, and then power supply is supplied. Implementation. The workflow of the robot is partitioned into 3 stages. It receives the signals from the smoke detectors through a GSM module, then without any predetermined path it navigates itself even in the presence of any obstacles. Automatically inspects for the fire through the sensors attached to it. In case of fire hazards, it sends alarm signals to the nearest fire station through the GSM module and an extinguish fire. Additional functionalities. Proposed firefighting robot squad for semi-autonomous mode. The Bluetooth module HC06 was used. It receives commands either from the voice or from the touchscreen using an Arduino applications developed using an app inventor software. The system software was developed using an embedded C. So this is the flow diagram for the master robot. If starting it starts, then check for the smoke. If smoke is detected, then it will turn on the routing location for the slave robots, and then it goes to a semi-autonomous mode. If semi-autonomous mode is activated, then voice commands move as per the voice commands, or move as per the touch screen. Then if fire is detected, then if semi-autonomous mode is not detected, then it will move forward, and then closest to, and then it will move forward close to the smoke sensor. If any obstacles is detected, it turn left or right and then move forward. And then if fire is detected, then it alerts to and fire stations, and then again it gets checks for, and then if the fire is not detected, then it stops. If the fire is detected, then it will inform the fire stations, and then it will ask for semi-autonomous mode. If semi-autonomous mode is activated, then move as per the voice commands or a touchscreen command. If semi-autonomous mode is not activated, then it will move forward and then reaches the fire, and an obstacle is detected, it either turn left or right. If the fire is detected, then it starts fire extinguisher, then again it's gone to the where the fire is detected. And this is the flow diagram of a robot for operating in N squad. It will start and then wait for the to get trigger from the master robot, and then activate the slave robot, and it will again ask for the semi-autonomous mode. If semi-autonomous mode is activated, it will move as per the voice commands or as per the test screen commands. If semi-autonomous mode is not activated, move towards the location using the line tracking, and then again it will check fire is detected. If fire is not detected, it will stop. Then then that is the fire extinguisher. Okay, fire extinguisher, and start fire extinguisher, and then detect the fire, and it will stop. This is the design. This is the top view of the robot. Fire extinguisher, obstacle avoidance module, GSM module, microcontroller module, Bluetooth module, power supply module. And the bottom view of the robot, IR sensor, line follower module, uh, driver module, motors, wheels, and temperature sensors, and then smoke sensors. And then this is the result. Robot is developed as per the requirement. This is the top view of the robot, what it has been designed, and then the bottom view of the robot. Applications: use it for firefighting and an intelligent fire surveillance. The main purpose is to rescue the people by extinguishing the fire in the building, and can be used in server rooms for immediate action in case of fire, and can be used in an record maintaining rooms where fire can cause loss of valuable data. Advantages: low cost special design, can alert fire department more precisely, discover fire automatically, work with a group of similar robots. Robot has a strong ability to put out of a fire in the presence of obstacles, reduces human effort, not sensitive to weather conditions. Drawbacks of the system: battery dependent. Conclusion: the configuration employing 80 Mega 328 as a controller center with a precious architecture along with the sensors execute the automatic fire alarm. In low cost specially designed fire detection sensors through the encompassing GSM module, it can alert fire department more preciously, thus enhancing the abilities of putting out fires. The robot has a more grounded capacity to discover fire automatically. Robot has a strong ability to put out the fire in the presence of obstacles. Future scope: on the premises of this configuration, a real-time position of the robot displayed on the monitors and other special functions can be added as an extension. Camera and video transmissions can be added. These are the papers I have gone through for the references to do this technical seminar, and then thank you.